If there is one part of the body that is underestimated the most, it's the feet. Head over to a meeting, grocery shopping, enjoy an evening out, fetch clothes from the laundry, or hike to the desired destination. It's your legs that's used throughout the day. We continuously use our feet to accomplish our daily chores. And after a hectic day, when we reach our home, it's our legs that get sore the most. After getting home, we spend some me time pampering ourselves. Most of us pamper ourselves by removing makeup and having a clean face. Then we slather on some good and essential skincare products. We even scrub our bodies and moisturize our hands and neck. But we forget about the feet. It's the feet that carry our body weight totally. Not only that, to match our fashion statement, we let our feet wear some fancy yet uncomfortable shoes. So at the end of the day, we are left with cracked heels, shoe bites, and sometimes blisters. Unlike the body, our foot doesn't have a sebum gland in the soles of the feet, so we need to take extra care of it. After washing and exfoliating, one of the important steps is to moisturize your feet, for which a foot cream is a great option to opt for. That's why in today's video, we're going to talk about some easy DIY foot cream for healthy soft feet. So, without any further ado, let's jump into the video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more DIY recipes for your hair and skin.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users, so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
To size up the cracked situation of your feet, let's make some foot creams that are free of chemicals and can be made with natural ingredients right at home. Ingredients. To make a nourishing foot cream, you will need ½ cup of shea butter, 3/4 cup of coconut oil, 3 tablespoons of beeswax, 10 drops of lavender essential oil, and 3 vitamin E capsules. Procedure. You need to melt the shea butter and the beeswax first. Then add the coconut oil and the lavender essential oil. Add the oil from the vitamin E capsules to the mixture. Mix everything together and pour the mixture into a container. Application. Apply the foot cream on clean and scrubbed feet and keep it overnight. Store the remaining foot cream in the refrigerator. Use it daily to get smooth feet within a week. Benefits. Shea butter with vitamin E oil holds high effectiveness. It maintains healthy feet and nourishes the skin. Coconut oil in the cream helps to soften your skin. It deeply moisturizes the skin and prevents dry and cracked heels. Lavender essential oil gives the foot cream a soothing aroma and also speeds up the healing of the cracked feet, which helps in preventing bacterial infection. Ingredients. For this hydrating foot cream, you need to use 3 tablespoons of cold milk, 1 cup of honey, 1/4 cup of orange juice, 3 to 4 drops of vanilla essence, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of almond oil. Procedure. Warm the milk and honey in a low flame. Keep stirring and add orange juice and almond oil to it. Then take it off the flame and add the vanilla essence. Finally, store the cream and refrigerate it. Application. every night after washing your feet and before going to sleep. Keep this for an hour and then wash it off with cool water. Use it every alternate day to heal your cracked feet. Benefits: honey has healing properties which help in healing the cracked feet and moisturizing your skin. The milk and cream enhances your skin's glow and texture and nourishes your feet from within. Orange juice prevents bacterial infection, and the almond oil soothes your dry skin, which ensures soft and smooth feet. Finally, the vanilla essence is added for an appealing aroma in your foot cream. Ingredients: for this moisturizing foot cream, you will need half cup of cocoa butter, half cup of olive oil, 12 drops of tea tree oil, 10 drops of peppermint oil, and 20 grams of beeswax. Procedure: first, melt the beeswax, then slowly add olive oil and butter. Lastly, add both essential oils. Store the mixture in a container. Application: apply this on clean feet, wear socks, and keep the moisturizer overnight. You can store the extra amount in the refrigerator. Benefits: cocoa butter is a renowned ingredient for moistening and nourishing dry and parched skin. Incorporating olive oil increases blood circulation and also helps in regenerating the new skin cells. Moreover, both the essential oils help in preventing bacterial infection and inflammation on your cracked heels. There are many foot creams available on the market, but it's always good to have chemical-free creams that are easy to avail and come in handy. Most importantly, you do not need to break your bank while making these foot creams. So make one of these foot creams today and provide your feet with the pamper and moisture they need. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends if you find our videos useful. Be sure to subscribe and press that notification bell for more updates in the future.